Hey, I'm gonna give a quick review on a blacktop crack filler. Is for my asphalt driveway. You see here, I've already put my last little bit of asphalt crack filler in here. It's got a few spots that still need to be fixed, but see one little crack here coming up. Got a crack here going across, not very wide, but I don't want to get any bigger. So get the weeds up, and I got the leaf blower. I'm blow the crack out real good before I fill it. Here's another crack. I got several cracks across this driveway, so I'm gonna try to fill it up here. The temperatures, it's about 75 today, so it should work really good. Dry overnight. Pulled out the little bit of weeds that was in the driveway, so now I'm gonna blow the cracks out real good. A little bit of rocks in the driveway in the cracks, so I'm gonna blow these out. Got the camera set up best I can with doing it by myself, so I'm just gonna fill up the crack here. Hopefully you can see good. Pretty easy to do. I may have to go back over it again. Finished with a couple sections. I went back over this area here. See, I filled in pretty good. It's supposed to dry in a few hours. I did this little small crack here. Then this is the first one I was set up for. See how it looks. I filled in the cracks here. Now I may have to go. I'll probably go back over it in another week or two in case it settles down in the groove a little bit more. But I think this asphalt sealer will do, asphalt repair will do good. I'll show you the jug one more time. I actually bought 2 jugs. I'm still using my first one now. So, but this is what kind it is, and it'll come in a white bottle, or sometimes it'll come in a black one. But this is it's 2X black crack filler. This is gallon jug. It says it'll take only 4 to 8 hours to dry, but warm as it is here today, I'm pretty sure it'll dry quicker than that, and it's supposed to last longer than the normal asphalt filler. This is I bought the airport grade one, so I knew it would be real strong and it lasts real good. Like I said, I bought the airport grade because I know it will last longer. Now, got a few more cracks I'm gonna go over real quick, but I'll probably check it back out in a week or two. Check it out in a week or two and go back over if I need to. But I think this will do the job. Like I said, I've had my driveway for 20 years, so hopefully this will last quite a few more. For a good asphalt crack filler, try this one here. It's supposed to be real good and real strong, and it dries real fast. So check it out. Give it a try. A link to the product is in the description, and please subscribe to my channel.